So guys, this battery that you see that I just made is completely fake, and this is a scam exposed video. This kind of content is actually trending both on YouTube as well as Instagram, and I had to make it to expose this truth. The method is simple. Simply put an XYZ stuff inside the battery and then replace the stuff with an actual battery. Here you can see I have placed this lithium ion battery pack, and you cannot see from inside because they are not going to show it, but the reality is that inside is the real battery, and they have done nothing but a demonstration of making a battery, a fake video, just for views, just for money. Now this method in which I used the aluminum plates as well as the copper plates with the salt solution, salt and distilled water solution, is actually the setup of an aluminum air battery. Now the problem with this type of battery that they have made is they have placed all the cells in a single container with the electrolyte, which means that the cells are getting shorted, and therefore there is no electricity, like negligible electricity left to appear on the main output terminals, which is a wasting of materials. So if you actually want to develop a real working battery, I have made that on my Mr. Electron channel, link for which will be provided both in the description as well as in the comment section. You can check it out from there and make it your own. It is very simple. Now coming back to this battery pack, when I did the testing of its output terminals before I replaced it with an actual battery, I got an output of around 0.7 volts, which is a little less than 1 volts. So which proves that it is actually a battery, but the cells, the electrolyte, they are cancelling out each other. And I'm not talking anything about the current yet, because obviously it is going to be very low to light up any kind of bulb or appliances that they show, even in those batteries that they have connected in series, although I still have to conduct a test for the series separate compartment type cell video, because that is also trending here, where people are using separate containers for individual cells and then connecting them in series. This type of a battery pack was a complete disaster, because the electrolyte is like common for all the cells, so it is shorting up. In that case, at least the electrolyte is not common, and then we can check the maximum voltage that method is going to generate, and also the current, which I truly believe is going to be like only puny, tiny, negligible, so that is not worthwhile. And plus what they show, that they are lighting up bulbs and running up motors, that is out of the question. So that's a scam exposed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.